Its siren could not be so loud that it could damage his fragile ears. It could not have sharp edges capable of scratching his skin or poking his eyes, or small pieces that he could break off, stick in his mouth, and choke on. Dozens of toy safety standards covering everything from baby rattles to motorized scooters help protect kids from harm. In addition, every toy for kids under 12 must be sent to a toy testing laboratory before it is approved for sale. Toy testers drop toys to make sure they don't shatter. They use sensors that can detect small amounts of lead or other hazardous materials, and they ensure that the toys do not easily catch on fire. Toughest standards. So, with all these regulations, how does a toy like My Sweet Baby Cuddle Care doll wind up in Walmart? Walk down the toy aisle at any superstore, and the answer is clear. There are just lots and lots of toys to keep track of. American retailers sell not hundreds, but thousands of different kinds of toys. Enforcing toy safety laws is the job of a U.S. government regulatory agency called the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, which was established in 1972. Though strict standards are in place, it's difficult for the CPSC to make sure that every toy maker follows the rules. Part of the challenge is that about 80% of American toys are manufactured in factories in China. These factories are supposed to follow U.S. standards, but some do not. Also, toy testing laboratories can't always predict what will cause injuries once a toy is in the hands of its young owner. Some flaws are not discovered until a toy has been on the shelves for months. Some are calling for the government to do more to protect kids. The CPSC needs more money for inspections, they say. Others point out that the U.S. has some of the toughest toy safety standards in the world. Sure, some toys have dangerous flaws, but thousands of kids are injured each year because of how they use toys. Riding scooters without helmets and pads, for instance, or playing toys meant for older children. And there is not a whole lot the CPSC can do about that. Here are water yo-yos that were banned in some states because they can wrap around a child's neck. Here is the My Sweet Baby Cuddle Care doll, was one of about a dozen toys recalled in 2014.